Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video we will be doing a fruit picking, this particular fruit picking, as well as going on a small drive out. So I do hope that you will enjoy today's video, so let's get into it. There's no use because I've only ever had just 1 or 2 guineas off of it. So my guinea tree, sweet sap tree, my pangana tree. Look at the mountain. Look at the mountains. So anyways, today we're picking panganats and we're going to open them, take out the seeds and put it in the fridge so I can make some panganat juice for next time. So let's get into it. So here I am fighting the tree. I don't really like picking fruits, and you guys probably can tell by my face expressions I don't like it, and I was getting tired, so that's why I kept sitting on the chair because my legs were getting tired. But I wanted to do it by myself, wanted to get it done so I can make my juice. There I am showing you the knife because some of those fruits, they were sticking to the tree. I couldn't pop it. It wasn't coming off, so I had to use the knife. There I was cutting the tree. Sorry mom, but I had to cut the tree, get those fruits off, and you all can see that the tree is a pretty tall tree and I am pretty short, but I was doing it, was holding on to those. I was getting it done. I was doing it, fighting the tree. At some point the tree was winning, but you know, y'all girl continued. So we're about to wash them, open them, get the seeds. Yeah. This is it. This is it. It's not a lot because I'm not doing everything. It makes no sense for me to do everything. It's really juicy. Here the crunch. Some people like to eat it like this, like my nana and me sometimes. Hands are clean. It's just a panganate that I have. Panganate. Panganate. It's so juicy. It's so crunchy. I still have some to go. Let me show you. And I still have these that have not opened anything. So I'm going to give these away. I think that's more than enough for what I want to do. I mean, I'm going to make some juice for them. Let me see what I'm going to do. I'm going to blend it with water and ginger and sweeten it with sugar, and that should be more than enough. That will be so delicious. As I said, you don't have to make juice with them. You can just eat them as is. Ooh, the sun is hot and it's out. Now I'm going to take you along with me today. I don't know what I'm doing today. I know I have some of the pomegranate, whatever those fruits that you saw me picking yesterday. I have some of those, so I'm going to give to one of my friends. I'm going to deliver. One of my friends said that he's going to come pick me up by the shopping center, which nearby. So I'm going to take you along, and it's hot. So after delivering the fruits, I decided to go on a drive out in the mountains. Now look at these mountains, y'all. Look, yeah, mountains. Look where the road meet mountains. If you can look down there, it was just so beautiful to me. So I decided to record. I went on I think this was a 6:1. This is in the region. Oh, look at that! You see that? Look at that. Anyways, that's in the region of Garden Town. So it was just so peaceful and pretty. Look, that's a river. It's a river. It's not completely dry, but when the rain is falling, trust me, that is overpouring. It is so beautiful and peaceful. So this is what I do when I am driving out on those buses. Because it's peaceful and I don't really go anywhere. I'll just go on the buses with my drivers and I'll just drive out with them. Look down there. That's a primary school down there below the road, and the mountain with the mountains behind it. So yeah, I drive out with them, talk to them, look at the surroundings. You get to see a lot when you're driving. Look at that, look at that. I would never cross that bridge though. I'm not afraid of heights, but I'm clumsy sometimes. Just look, oh my god, look at that. That's art. That's art right there. That's so pretty and it looks so peaceful. Just watching the mountains go by, looking down there, wanting to see more down there. Anyways, Thank you so much for watching today's video. I know it wasn't much, but I appreciate it. Let me know what y'all think about it, or me picking fruits. By the way, that tree had a lot of thorns on it, so it was piercing my fingers. I had to use a knife because some of them it was just so stuck on the tree, but they were ripe and so pretty. I have yet to make the juice, but I will shortly, and I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Look at that, look at the mountainside, y'all. It just makes me want to go at the very top of that mountain. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.